Learn English with your Instill.
Hey, I'm Robin. What's your name?
Hello, I'm Emma. Nice to meet you.
What are you doing these days?
I am studying. Did you think about planning trip?
So, where do you want to go on our trip?
How about a road trip to the coast?
That sounds awesome. Have you been on a road trip before?
Yeah, a few times. And you?
A couple of times, but not to the coast. When should we go?
Maybe in 2 weeks, after the exams?
Good idea. Should we book everything now?
Yeah, let's book flights and hotels soon.
Should we stay in a hotel or Airbnb?
I'm leaning towards Airbnb. More space.
Sounds good. How long do you think we should stay?
5 days should be perfect.
Do we need a rental car?
Yes, definitely. We'll need it to get around.
Are you good with driving?
Yep, I love driving on trips.
I think I'll take the back seat. Do you want to split the cost?
Sure, we can each pay half for the car rental.
What kind of activities do you want to do?
Maybe a mix of hiking and visiting local landmarks.
Sounds fun. Should we book tours ahead?
Let's just book a few, like a city tour and a nature hike.
Do you like museums?
I do, but only if they're interesting.
I'll look for some cool ones. Should we pack light?
Yep, just the basics. No heavy luggage.
Do you want to bring a camera?
Definitely, I don't want to miss the views.
Have you checked the weather for the trip?
I haven't yet. I'll look it up.
Should we bring rain gear?
Just an umbrella. I don't think it'll rain much.
Are you okay with walking a lot?
Yeah, I love exploring on foot.
What about food? Do you want to try local dishes?
Absolutely, I love trying new food.
Do you want to rent bikes for a day?
Yes, that sounds like fun.
Should we do a beach day or a hike?
Both, let's do one on day 1 and the other on day 2.
Are you bringing snacks for the trip?
I'll bring some chips and granola bars.
How about cash? Should we bring some?
Yeah, just in case we need it for small shops.
Do we need to get travel insurance?
I think it's a good idea, just to be safe.
Do we want to do any shopping while we're there?
Definitely, I love finding unique souvenirs.
What time should we leave?
Morning flight sounds good.
Will we need power adapters?
I'll check if the plugs are the same.
Are we going to take any day trips?
Yes, I heard there's a cool nearby town we can visit.
Should we make a list of places we want to see?
Yes, let's make sure we don't miss anything important.
Do you want to do any adventurous activities, like ziplining?
I'm up for it. Why not?
Should we pack our own towels for the beach?
They'll probably have towels, but we should check.
What should we do if the weather's bad?
We can always go to a museum or a cafe.
Are we taking public transport there?
Maybe for short trips, but mostly we'll drive.
Want to do a sunset cruise?
Yes, that sounds amazing.
Should we book a fancy dinner?
Definitely, let's try a nice local restaurant.
How about a spa day?
I love that idea. A little relaxation is needed.
How many days do you think we should spend at the beach?
At least 2 days, it'll be super relaxing.
What time should we arrive at the airport?
I think 2 hours before the flight.
Do you have a suitcase ready?
Almost packed. I just need to add some snacks.
How about a backpack for the day trips?
Good idea, I'll pack one for snacks and water.
Will we need sunscreen?
For sure, I don't want to get burnt.
Do we need a local SIM card?
I'll check the rates, but Wi-Fi should be good enough.
Are we planning to go out at night?
Yes, there's a nightlife scene I've read about.
Should we pack any medicines?
Yes, I'll bring some basic ones like ibuprofen.
Do we need to pre-book the rental car?
Yes, definitely. It's better to book in advance.
Want to do any water sports?
Sure, maybe jet skiing?
What's your idea of a perfect vacation day?
Sleeping in, exploring, and ending with a great dinner.
Do you want to take a lot of photos?
Yes, I want to capture everything.
Should we check out the nightlife?
Absolutely, let's go dancing.
Do you want to extend the trip if we like it?
That sounds tempting. Let's see how it goes.
Should we try to visit any nearby towns?
Yes, that'd be fun. We could do a day trip.
Should we pack light jackets?
Yes, just in case it gets chilly.
Are we traveling with luggage or just backpacks?
I think just backpacks for ease.
Should we check out the nightlife there?
Definitely, it's part of the experience.
What's our budget for activities?
Let's keep it under $300 each.
Should we book a special dinner?
Yes, maybe for our last night.
Are we traveling solo or with a group?
Just the two of us, I think.
Should we bring a camera?
Yes, let's capture the memories.
Can we do everything in a week?
We should be able to.
Are we good to go?
Almost, just need to finalize the flights.
Thanks for watching. Do like the video, share this to your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.